Hello everyone, I'm Julia. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna introduce the zone feature. So what is a zone? A zone lets you group your channels into different areas. Within each zone, you can add different channels, which makes managing them much easier. In the previous video, we showed you how to set up zones in CPS. So today, we'll show you how to set up and manage zones directly on your video. Go to Manual, Zone. Here, you can create and manage your own zones. You will see three options: All Channels, Quick Zone, and Customer Zone. If you select All Channels, when you go back to the main screen, you will see all channels available to choose from. Select. Back to the main screen. You can see here, All. If you select a customer zone, your channel selection will be limited to that zone only. And you can click zone to add it. Add channel. And you can select existing channels to delete. Or click Add Channel to add channels that are already saved in your video. You can also add the name. And delete zone. Here, we can see there are 3 channels in this zone. And if we select this zone, back to the main screen. Zone 1, Channel 1, Channel 2, Channel 3. Here you can see there are 3 channels only available in the Zone 1. So zones are a super convenient channel management tool, allowing you to quickly select the channels you want without scrolling through the entire list. I hope this video helped you better understand how to use it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more video tips and tutorials. I'm Julia. See you next time.